salad, we got the eggs, we got
Going on
the,
the toast.
do you want some, do you want cheese and tomato, or just cheese, or I was going to make you a cheese on toast as well, if you wanted them.
As
Yeah.
well as toast, huh?
Huh? On top of that?